Hey guys, today I'm doing a see if this works, but I'm pretty sure the screen is broken, but let's see what's inside the Samsung Galaxy A15, just released like a couple months ago. Let's see how it's opened, but from what my instincts say, it's like from the back. But yeah, let's me to put back into time lapse. I'm actually happy to see the pull tabs finally, even going to the A series, so that's good. Let's see actually if this actually worked, but me just reconnecting stuff. I guarantee it didn't work because the screen itself is probably cocked. But let's see. Yeah, the screen is cocked from the impact in the corner right there. But yeah, quite a user replaceable phone. Easy pull tab removal. Actually, how easy to remove the battery? So I pull this out like this. Yeah. Let's see how hard is it. Yeah, the time I was praising it, now it's on. No, not that easy because nope, not coming out that easily because yeah, too much glue like always. Too much glue. Just like that. Here's like you can take a photograph of it and set as a wallpaper for you. Let's now put it back all together. Oh yeah, the phone was like cooked. The screen is broken. And that's basically it for this episode of What's Inside a New Phone that I just got my hands on. Anyway, I hope you liked this, and if you enjoyed it, you can sub at the end.